Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for the 55th Annual World Championship Chili Cook-Off. Let's go eat some chili.
Bush's beans bin, you drop the bone in.
Perfect, thank you.
Enjoy.
All right, so how it works is you have 5 samples, 10 samples, or 20 samples, and the 5 is 15, the 10 is 25, and the 20 samples are 40, and you would get a card. We chose the 5. The card has 1 through 5 numbers on it. Whenever you go to a place and they give you a sample, they scratch off the number. All right, so after if you like a chili that you decide you like, you can put their name right here if you want to try all 5 samples first. In order to vote, you have to write your team's name on the card and booth number, and you take the bottom part off and put it in the ticket slot. And whoever has the most votes at the end of the day, they win the championship.
Good God, she's talking a lot for this video. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar where the chili cook-off is here in Myrtle Beach, it's right on the corner of Ocean Boulevard and 9th Avenue, right here on the famous Myrtle Beach Ocean Boulevard Strip.
So from what I heard from carpetbaggers, whenever you come to these chili festivals, you're supposed to look for the longest line. So let's go look for the longest line and try that chili. Did you get some? Medium spice.
This is the alligator chili. No gator was harmed.
Is it hot?
Got a little bit of spice to it.
Other than that, does it taste like chicken?
Yeah.
I don't want to give it to you.
I love hot stuff.
Oh, because some people go, oh, I can't eat it too hot.
I to the camera and say, hey.
Hey, all the way from Sacramento.
Sacramento, wow.
You named it after your dog?
Yes.
Oh.
Is he still living?
No.
No. The Wow Wow chili was named after his dog, and it has a delicious afterbite. Let's taste it. Mm-hmm. Delicious.
This is the Cincinnati hottest chili.
Cincinnati hottest chili?
Yeah, hottest chili. 2013, 2016, and 2021 hottest salsa world champion.
Tell us if it's good.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
How hot on a scale of 1 to 10? Ghost pepper hot?
Let me see some.
Probably like a 7.
All right, we'll find out.
Because I like hot stuff. Temperature hot, it's like really hot, steaming hot. But it's not hot. Wow chili was hotter.
All right.
All right.
Let's go over here to this one.
this has a lot of beans for those who like beans. I'm personally not a fan of beans, so. It's not that spicy. All right, let's try some. It is when you swallow it. Let's try some beans. Some beans. Oh, good. These are soft beans. They're not the hard kind. Like the, oh no, the hard kind.
Please welcome Tim Eccles, our pro today. Please. Thank you so much. In addition to all of those things, she's also a really, really nice lady. All right. Our Joe. Here we go. Joe. Our Joe is the local ABC 15's chief meteorologist. He got his degree in meteorology from NC State University. He's never, ever cooked chili before. I don't know if that's true. Ed has been named Best of the Beach 17 years in a row, and in 2018 was named Myrtle Beach's Citizen of the Year. I wasn't eligible that year. Please welcome Ed Piotrowski.
Look. All right, you think you can kick it?
No, I
What? Now what? You know what you got to do is you got to go in the middle there. Ready? Hold on. Hold on. You better take a running start.
What if I can't do it?
Wait, let me see. High heels.
Or... I can't.
That was a good try. You want to throw it?
No. Yeah, let me throw it. I can't throw it
And the cornhole tournament starts Saturday and Sunday, 1 p.m. Come throw some cornhole. And of course, we gotta film our famous traveling boutique. Look at here.
So if you want to get a drink, you got to get you a band here. So if you come tomorrow or next year to this event, the only way to get an alcoholic beverage is to be 21 and to have a band.
All right, we're going to go do hot and heavy. You ready? That's it right there?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Hot and heavy. Looks like it's got some corn, tomatoes.
Wow.
Let's see how.
Heavy, just like me.
Just like you?
Just like you,
That's
right?
what we like it, hot and heavy. Let's see. Looks like it's got some chilies in it. Let's see. Mm-hmm. You like this.
Good.
I like the corn in it. It is. We will.
So where are y'all out of?
Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, right outside.
New Cumberland.
New Cumberland.
All right, appreciate it.
Hell Belly chili. This is super hot and delicious. You will love it. It's got beans, peppers, green peppers. Very good. Look at that. All that good, hot, wholesome chili. All right. From Shoals, where Shoals, South Carolina. Let's try some. All righty. Thank you. Let's see what it tastes like. It's got some nice beans in it and everything. Got it. And here we go. Look how hot it is. Sweet.
Okay, so this one is the Cheesehead Chili from Wisconsin, and we're gonna see if she enjoys it.
It's pretty good. It's thick.
Is it thick?
But it has a good taste to it.
Does it?
It's not very spicy, but it's
And I
like
think you need to taste
medium.
that for us before we.
So what is this?
Here we go.
It is the best chili.
The best chili.
Smoked brisket chili.
What kind?
I made it with 25 pounds of smoked brisket.
Oh, yeah, let's get, what do I need to do? Give you a card?
Yep. I'm going to stamp it. And you got to remember 182.
182. That's your spot. All right.
Number 1 in your heart.
So you're doing the red, everything, right? Would this be everything in one bowl here, or okay?
Home style.
Home style. All right.
Home style has beans, or can have anything in it.
All right. Let's see. That's home. Good gracious.
Let's see.
That was
Smells
good. All right. Let's try this out.
You vote 182.
It is good. Real good. Okay. So we found a pretty long line, and we were told to come to Veronica's. And yes it is. She had the chicken chili, so we're gonna find out if this is the chicken chili.
It is.
So is this what you've been looking for?
Yes, because I don't like chili.
You like chicken chili?
Yes.
Because something's wrong with you. You're a chicken.
How come Justin like chicken chili?
So are you Veronica?
I am Veronica.
We were told to come over here and try your chicken chili.
Well, get on up in here.
And she said that's what she's been wanting the whole time. All right, get your card.
Who else needs a? I got plenty. Who else wants some?
All right.
All right, chicken chili. Ooh, it looks good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it tastes like the tortilla soup from Chili's.
Does it?
Woo-wee. With all that chili, we are definitely hot. My favorite was probably the white chili chicken. What do you think?
Mine was 182.
182?
It had brisket in it.
25 pounds of brisket.
25 pounds of brisket.
Make sure you watch, subscribe, and ring that bell so you too can keep beaching.
What she said.